Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the app here. So I'm going to click on this. And after that, we need to click on this profile icon, which is the app here. So let's click on this. And after that, you will be able to see the name here, username, and then you will be able to see the manage account option. So let's click on the manage account. So if you want to change the photo, you have to click on this, and now you have to go to the view photo library, and then you need to choose the photo. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. So the photo is added here. If you want to change or view the username, you can also do that. As you can see, the username is provided here. So you have to click on the username, and for now we have to wait for a few seconds. And, yes, okay, the picture is uploaded. Now we have to click on this username, and if you want to change this, you can also do that. So I'm going to cut this one here. We have to go to the back. Email is also provided here. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. AI data retention, AI data retention is allowed. You can also enable or disable this as well. If you want to clear your history, you have to click on the clear history, and the history will be cleared. So in this way you can manage your account, and I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.